If you want to make your website more interesting and engaging, and you would like to have control of what happened when user selects an element on your website, then you will find how to do so. Hi, I'm Borut from onlineprinciples.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to make all these animations using Thrive Architect. I have just created a new page and I will choose a pre-built landing page in Thrive Architect. Let's select this one, for example. So here we have this landing page, and first thing, let's pick this image, for example. Once you select it, go to the left-hand side and search for animation and action. We have three options here. Let's select the first one, which is a CSS animation. Here we can select which animation would you like to use. So you have different slide top, slide bottom, slide right, slide left. Let's select just the first one, for example, and we click apply. If you'd like to preview this, you can select this button, or here you have this preview icon to see how it looks like. So by default, this animation will start when this element comes into view. Now let's select another element, for example, this heading, and we can select an animation, for example, zoom in. Click apply. I'm gonna save this work and we can check a preview. As you can see, the first element will appear immediately because of course it's already in view. But when I will scroll down, the second element, the heading, will appear just when I will scroll to it. Of course, if I scroll down and then up again, nothing will happen because we need to set another parameter for this. If you go back to Thrive Architect and let's select again the image, let's edit it. The second option here, besides the animation, it's the loop animation. Let's see how this works. So now it appears, this one, and if I scroll back, this image will appear. So you can choose if you want to animate only once or every time this element comes into view. So let's see some other options that we have for animation. For example, we can, part of appearing, we can use also modify. So we can use this grow. Or shrink. This animation will appear when someone moves the mouse over the element. So we have here also the option to edit the animation, or if you don't want to use anymore, you can remove it. So you will notice that not all elements have all the possibilities. For example, an image, we can add CSS animations, you can use pop-ups to appear or create a link. For text instead, we can use just CSS animations. So let's try to select this button and we will use, for example, a pop-up. We can select how we're gonna trigger this pop-up by clicking or when it comes into view. Let's select on click. So when someone clicks on this button, for example, you can choose that they will open a Thrive light box, or even if you have Thrive leads, you can use the Thrive box. You can also select to open an image or even open a video. So I could just this one. You can select the source, YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, the usual ones. You can upload a video on your web server. I will select YouTube. You put the URL. And of course you have different options here to optimize related, so to show or not the related videos at the end. You can hide the player controls, hide full screen, or hide the logo. Let's apply this and see how it works. So obviously I got a notification that I can have multiple animations and actions for the same element. So I need to remove one. So the first one was the link, and the second one is to open a video. So obviously this will not gonna work. I will remove the first one. And let's see how it works. So now if I click on this button, a video will appear. And this is very cool feature because before we had to install some additional plugins to the WordPress, and now actually you have everything inside Thrive Architect. And the last option that I would like to show you, which maybe doesn't sound very exciting, but the good things here is that you can apply a link to an entire section of the page. So not just to an image or a text, but to an entire content box. Select the outermost box and add a link to it by clicking the link icon. Let's insert the URL and click apply. So now if anyone clicks inside this box anywhere, it will take them to that link. So you can also make clickable the entire area of your page if you want, and make the entire area a call to action link. I hope you have enjoyed what you saw, and I encourage you to give this a try. As usual, if you have any question, please leave me a comment below. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're not gonna miss any new video. See you next time.